Hello, do you want to change your phone number on Facebook? Here's a guide on how you can successfully do that. Open the Facebook app on your device and tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy to expand the menu. Then you tap in Settings. Under the Account Center, tap on Personal Details. Now you scroll through and tap on Personal Details again. Then you tap on Contact Information, and this will show you the phone number associated with your Facebook account. If you haven't added a phone number yet, you tap on Add New Contacts and follow the prompts to enter your new phone number. Then Facebook may ask you to verify the new number by sending a confirmation code via SMS. So enter the code when prompted. But if you want to replace your old phone number with a new one, you tap on the old phone number and you select Delete. You tap on the delete number. Then you follow any additional prompts to confirm the removal. After adding your new phone number, tap on Save Changes to update your information. Facebook will confirm that your phone number has been updated. So, this updated number will now be used for account recovery and notifications. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.